Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, rear corner covers, base enclosure, wireless module, touch display panel assembly, and touch display panel. Removal. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel assembly. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Place the webcam board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam board from the static-dissipative bag. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Place the webcam board into position on the display panel assembly and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place.